Welcome to our tutorial on how to use green screen on CapCut PC. Below are detailed steps on how to use a green screen on CapCut with the background remover tool. 1. Open the CapCut app, click the new project, select a video as the background and tap the ad to open it. 2. Tap the overlay menu at the bottom. Then click the Add Overlay to choose the green screen clip from your gallery and hit Add. Three. Swipe right on the menu bar and click the Remove Background button. CapCut will automatically remove the green screen background. 4. Continue to edit your video and then export your video. You have learned how to use green screen on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching our guide.